Investors Business Daily's annual Best Online Broker Special Report is now out, and joining me today to talk all about Interactive Brokers, which was named one of the top 5 online brokers in the report, is Andrew Wilkinson. He's the Chief Market Analyst at Interactive Brokers. Hi, Andrew. How are you today?
Hi, Alyssa. I'm doing very well, thank you. Thank you for having me on the show. It's an honor to be here.
All right. Well, aside from being known for keeping costs low, how does Interactive Brokers stand out from the competition, do you think?
Well, you see, costs is just one part of it. Brokers often advertise themselves with a fixed price per trade. And we have at Interactive Brokers, we have a smart routing technology. So when a client submits an order, the role of the smart router is to examine constantly all of the different exchange venues for liquidity, for rebates, and for how much each exchange might cost, and that is factored into the price of the trade. So we're constantly trying to provide price improvements, and I think for the first half of 2017, that equates to about 31 cents per share, per 100 shares. For orders. So we're always looking at price improvements. Another standout is that since 2015, Interactive Brokers clients, of which there's 484,000 worldwide, more than half of those clients are now outside of the United States. So it's the ability to deliver our services to clients in over 200 countries, on over 120 different electronic exchange venues, on 26 different countries.
Well, another offering for clients here is the ability to trade in Bitcoin futures, and we know that Interactive Brokers was the first online broker to do this offering. So why did the company decide that this was the right move? And do you think being the first mover here has given you an advantage in that space?
Well, I think being the first mover, I mean, it certainly, talks to the prowess of Interactive Brokers as a technology firm. We really are a technology company with a brokerage bolted on the side. That's always the way it's been in the last 40 years. We were one of the first companies to offer or to have handheld computers on the floor of the American exchange. With Bitcoin, there was a tremendous amount of buzz about the product. It's been in the news for the longest time, but certainly, actually, when the exchanges filed to get the product up and running on the as part of their services, we looked at it and we got client feedback saying, yes, we'd be interested in trading it. So. Something around, we're a very lean company in terms of being an employer, so we can kind of ramp things up. But I think we have 1,200 employees worldwide, and more than half of that, something like 60 to 70%, are in the programming field. So when any new product is launched, when any new security is added to an exchange, it's actually quite easy for us. It's sort of routine for us to be able to program for it. So I think some companies, some competitors struggle to do that very quickly. I think they wanted to see what the uptake would be. But so from our perspective, I think we accounted for something like 70% of all trades in the first week when the SIBO and the SIBO CFE launched its single Bitcoin product. So there was certainly kind of an advantage to being there, so from a media perspective, but it also showed our clients. I think one of our clients was put in the first trade on Bitcoin. So, it's always good to be able to do that. And if clients are looking for certain products, then we're always going to be around to be able to program for them.
All right, Andrew. Well, congratulations again on Interactive Brokers earning top marks in the Best Online Brokers Report. And thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate your insights, Andrew.
Thank you very much, Alyssa.
All right. Have a good one.